Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, ambient lighting, braking assist. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.